Boys and girls, today we are talking about our country, Trinidad and Tobago. And in our last lesson, if you can remember, we spoke about our national emblems. And we talked about our national flag, our national birds, and our national flower. Today we will discuss our national instrument, the coat of arms, and we will even talk a little about the national pledge and national anthem. But let's do a quick revision of what we did last week. We know that our national flag has 3 colors. The color red, that stands for the element of fire. The color black, which stands for the element of earth. And the color white, which stands for the element of water. We also spoke about our national birds. And here we see the scarlet ibis. The scarlet ibis is one of our national birds. Some things that you should know about the scarlet ibis: it is bright red in color. And where can the scarlet ibis be found? At the Caroni Swamp in Trinidad. Now, this bird is the coquerico, and it's also another one of our national birds. We also call this bird the Tobago pheasant. It is brown in color, and it is found in Tobago. Hence the name Tobago pheasant. Both birds are protected by the law. Now let's take a look at our national flower. And children, this is the Chaconia flower, and it's the national flower of Trinidad and Tobago. It is bright red in color and can be found in the forest. And it blooms around Independence time. Today now, children, we will talk a bit about our national instrument. And our national instrument in Trinidad and Tobago is the steel pan. Now, the steel pan is made from an oil drum. And if you look at the picture, you will see the oil drum has been divided into sections. And these sections are then tuned to give us our musical notes. The steel pan was invented in Laventille in Trinidad. And the first person to play a tune on the steel pan was Winston Spree Simon. So, boys and girls, we will talk about the coat of arms. Now, if you look closely at the coat of arms, you can see both our national birds, the scarlet ibis and the coquerico, are there in the coat of arms. Look a little closer. You will see the 3 ships of Christopher Columbus. And just above those 3 ships, we can see 2 golden hummingbirds. And then on the coat of arms, we also see our national motto: together we aspire, together we achieve. Now, the coat of arms can be seen on anything that belongs to the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. For example, we see the coat of arms on our money, our passport, our identification card, also known as the ID card, and our birth certificate as well. Now, what you are looking at here is the words of the national anthem of Trinidad and Tobago. And children, you all sing the national anthem every single day. Now, it's important to note that when the national anthem is being sung or played, you must stand at attention. It means you stand straight and tall while the anthem is playing. No movements whatsoever, you stand straight and tall. This shows that you are proud of your country, Trinidad and Tobago. It shows respect while the national anthem is playing. Here we see the words of the national pledge. And we also say the national pledge every morning of our school day. Now it's important to note that you must stand properly in the correct position when you are saying the national pledge. So what must you do? You must raise your right hand, stand straight and tall, and this gives honor to the national pledge when you say it. And last in our lesson today, we will talk about the national watchwords of Trinidad and Tobago. These watchwords are discipline, production, and tolerance. Each one of these words has a meaning. Discipline means good behavior. Production means to make or create something. And tolerance means acceptance. So this was our lesson today on our country of Trinidad and Tobago. The end.